guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be continuing in my organizing, cleaning and decluttering series. We are working on my master ensuite. As you can see, well, the top's pretty cluttered, but the drawers are even worse. So I want to take everything out, wipe everything down and reorganize, get rid of stuff that doesn't need to be in there. And then, like I said, put it back nicely organized. So I'm going to work on all of these. Plan is to also deep clean the bathroom and clean the blinds. I am not cleaning the windows yet because it's quite cold outside and it just doesn't work out when I want to get everything off. Sometimes it even freezes. I don't think it would freeze today, but so lots to do today. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is this cupboard, and once I organize it, I will go over what's in here. So I think this looks much better. So I've got my bug spray and sunscreen stuff over there. There's a couple extra body sprays and some shaving cream and another mouthwash. Now keeping my husband's shaving and showering stuff. Obviously I need to restock on deodorant. I usually buy them at Costco and just fill that up for both my husband and I, and then my daughter and my son use both of those as well. All of the toothbrushes, extra will be fillers, cartridges for my electric toothbrush and some floss, extra toothpaste, extra shaving stuff, all of my husband's eye contact, and then just some usually keep extra Q-tips and extra, if I buy those cleansing pads, are in there. And that's just a mini first aid kit. I have a full first aid kit downstairs on the shelf, but this is just in case if I need something up here. And now we are going to move over to my other cupboard, which is pretty much my stuff here. And as you can see, it has gotten a little bit out of control, so I'm just going to tame it down, take stuff out that doesn't need to be in here, and find a different home for it and just organize everything.
slowly. I think I'm crazy. Well, I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly. I think I'm crazy. Well, I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly. I think I'm crazy. Well, I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly. I think I'm crazy. Well, I think it's crazy.
Like I was falling through the air. No one but myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of where we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all.
So this is all done. As you can see, I did pare down quite a bit, changed some containers around to work better, and then I just added the attachments to the back because we barely ever use those, so I just put them to the back. And then this box, which and over here in this little cloth box that I had left over when I was redoing my linen closet, I just added my nail heater thing, wax melter, some wax beads, some waxing strips, and then just stuff for the nail heater. That way we don't use this maybe once every 4 to 6 weeks. So this is gonna go in my walk-in closet on the shelf. That way it's kind of has its own place. It's not cluttering under the sink.
I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're 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 dancing as one.
So the drawers are done. This one was really messy, and I think it looks much better now. I've got my makeup removers and face wash, lip balm, lip exfoliator, and a couple other chapsticks, another face wash, and an extra little face scrubby thingy for my electric face cleanser, toothbrush, toothpaste, and floss, and then are deodorants, and then Nivea cream if my hands are really dry. And then this is all of my hair stuff. Typically what I would use if I was styling my hair. My everyday hairbrush, my wet hairbrush. I did put my blow drying hairbrush and a wet brush in a cupboard because I don't use it as often as every time I wash my hair. So, and then I have some hair mask, hair elastics, and I'm just have a little bit left of this hydrating styling cream, so I just want to use it up. That's why I put it to the front. And then this is my husband's, just his colognes, shaving stuff, and then I'm just going to put one of these in here so he knows that that goes there, because that one's empty. All of this stuff, oh, I have to put those things away, came out, that's gonna go in the garbage. So that's what I'm gonna do next, just pick up all these things that I had taken out and that it's garbage, and clean the countertops, clean the floor, and then I'm gonna move on to scrubbing the shower. So I had dusted the window curtains, or what are they, blinds. I have to clean up this mess just to tidy it up, put things where it goes, like this is garbage and stuff like that, some rags and towels. I did vacuum the floor this morning because I have to do it pretty much every day because the hair is like taking over my life. I'm now gonna clean the toilet. I will dust these shelves and the top of the toilet. My husband needs to fix the toilet before I can clean it, if you know what I mean. And then I'm going to get this shower cleaned up. There's just a lot of stuff that can go in a garbage, and it just needs to be scrubbed down. But I have a really hard time getting the camera in here. And it's dark because the light is out, it doesn't work. So I'm going to do it, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like after. So the room is done. I have managed to clean almost everything here. which is pretty satisfying. My deep cleaning day is tomorrow, so I will clean the toilet and the tub thoroughly, but I did clean the board up, and the shower is as clean as it's going to get. And then I sorted through. I have 2 of these that are opened that need to get through, and then this thing broke, so I need to fix it. So I'm gonna take it downstairs and fix it. I am so happy that I went through the cupboards, because really that was the most important part about this whole cleanup. And if you actually want to see how I redid my cupboards, they used to be like a cherry wood color. I did it over on my DIY channel. I can link the video in the description box how I made them over myself. It was the whole bathroom redo. We did the mirror, the shelves, all new lighting and everything. So I can link it down below if you want to see that. Well, I hope you had found this video inspirational and motivational. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And come back in a couple days and I will have some fridge organization. And I have a little surprise if you've been following along when it comes down to my fridge. So make sure you come back on Saturday. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.